time now, though.
One. Here they are.
Does it thicken up?
Well, when it'll set, this thing will be bulletproof. At least solid or made pretty good. You can kind of see the little pattern where it, I mean this doggone Coosa board is, it's like flat. flat.
Can't really warp it.
No, the fiberglass of the transom of the boat itself is wiggly. Feels like it's starting to kick off, kids. Mainly, I really want it to be solid right there where that outdrive goes. I want the whole thing to be solid and tied together. And I think, personally, I think it all has to be a composite to make the best strength. But that's just me. I think as long as it's pretty solid and secure, given I've seen transoms that are this big, this one's overkill. Well, no, I take that back. I mean, they put big blocks in these things, so maybe it was overkill. All right, coming out, baby.